Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get and find TikTok on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. So if you can't find it under the Discover section right here on the top, you can see TikTok for me. Go to the App Store. So you can find the App Store right here. Otherwise, you can go over to Library and then go to Show More. And you can go to Open App Store right here. Then in the App Store, go to the search icon, select this, and type in TikTok. So let's type in TikTok. Here's TikTok right here. So let's go ahead and get this and then download it to our Fire HD 10 tablet. And then it should be installing. So otherwise we can select the app right here and then we can see it. So once we go ahead and get it, it should show up on the home screen here and it should show up on the bottom here. Otherwise you can go over to Library, go to All Apps right here, and it should be showing up under the Download Apps when it completes the installation. So that is how you can easily find and get TikTok on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.